Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jackie Aina.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olayefa, and today's video I decided to try and do the video that has been trending on YouTube. I tried following blank makeup tutorials. I think the first time I saw this challenge, it was Yuki here on YouTube. If you don't follow her, you need to subscribe to her channel. She's the bomb. I think her video was the first video I saw, and then I started seeing a couple others, even Beauty by Jenny Jenkins. Like, I'm so used to calling her Beauty by JJ. She also did one following Jackie. I don't know, following Nikki tutorials and James Charles. So I decided that I want to try. Like, I've been wanting to try it, but I've not really had time. So I had time today. I just sat down. I said I was going to do this thing today and put it out today. So hopefully it's going to go up today. So today's video, I decided to do Jackie Aina. Like, of course, yes. Let's take a second to appreciate the beauty that is Jackie Aina. Like, I am so in love with Jackie Aina. Like, she's one of the first YouTubers I started watching, and she is her energy, her beauty, her creativity, her confidence. My God, like, she's so confident. Like, oh my God, her energy. Oh, I love Jackie. So it's only proper for me to start this. I tried following blank makeup tutorial with Jackie Aina. So if you like to see me try any other person, let me know in the comment section down below. Although I'm thinking of doing Jenny Jenkins next. I mean, I'm also thinking of doing Desi Perkins. I don't know, it depends on if you guys like this video. Those two people are the next two people I would like to do. Jackie Aina had a natural hair in this video that I'm trying to recreate, and I'm sorry guys, my hair is relaxed. So I tried to achieve the whole natural hair look with this weave on right here. I got it from Ebano Chevron Drive. So this is what it looks like. Gold, super professional, no, super bohemian. So it came in 6 packs, and I only used 2. I thought I was going to use the whole of it, but I put the whole of it and it was looking a bit much, so I just used only 2. So it's a synthetic hair. I just use my fingers to brush through it a little bit to make it look natural. I would love to do natural hair, but guys, I'm too lazy. I can't even take care of my relaxed hair. Talk more of natural hair. Anyways, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. If you want to see how I achieve this Jackie Aina look, keep on watching.
I'm gonna do my makeup today. I'm just gonna go with it. I'm just gonna wing it. I've already primed, so I'm gonna start off with foundation.
Okay, she already primed, so I'm going to this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer.
Taking my Tom Edel Stick foundation from Lancome.
Okay, so I don't have that exact same foundation, but I have this Lancome foundation. It's a liquid one, and it's the 24-hour Tint Idol Ultra Extra, and this shade is number 15. Alright, so I'm going to take my damn beauty blender and blend it in. Alright, so we're done with foundation. What next, Auntie Jackie?
So I started using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, and it's.
I don't have that one.
It's got a.
But I have this one from.
This because it is so janky. I like this a lot better for cream applications.
I'm not a fan of cream concealers. I'm sorry. I prefer to use liquid, and I especially love this one from Ellie Girl. So I'm gonna use the shade Chestnut.
To let the under eye concealer dry a little bit.
Me too.
The best coverage. And here we go. Do you see what I just did with that?
You guys know I do that too. Like, I let the foundation, the concealer sit for a few minutes before I blend it out. Like, I really do feel like it gives better coverage.
I've used all my backups too. They all look crazy. For my contour, take my Hourglass.
Okay, hold on. You guys, I learned, like, when I first learned makeup, like the first makeup school I ever went to, they didn't teach us highlight and contour. Like, it was new. Like, most people were still trying to get the hang of the whole highlighting and contouring. I kept trying to learn and understand the whole concept of highlighting and contouring. Jackie Aina. Back then she was I have a little concealer in my mouth. Back then she was makeup game on point. Yes, makeup game on point. Yeah. That was actually the first video I ever saw from her. That was the first video I just subscribed to her channel immediately. Like, that's when I fell in love with Jackie Aina. Like, she's like a big sis to me. And oh my god, I remember there was the time she commented on my Instagram page. I screamed. Like, my mom didn't even get like what was making me scream so much. She didn't get, like, she wouldn't understand. And it wasn't even a makeup picture. I think I wore a dress that my friend Bora George made for me. So I felt really good. Like I love Jackie. Like, I love everything she stands for. I love her makeup skills. I just love her, you know, like, she's so inspiring.
In the color Espresso. And
Okay. Hold on. I'm going to use this Black Opal stick foundation in the shade Ebony Brown.
I am going out tonight,
Okay, so
your girl needs to be contoured.
Okay, I'm going out tonight too.
This video and putting it up today. If you tried the new Sigma beauty sponge, please let me know. I have not tried it. Now, usually with my beauty blender, this is the step where I kind of go in and pick up wherever the foundation brush left off.
Okay, trying to catch up here. Oh my god, like, I'm so happy that Jackie Aina did the whole makeup before, foundation before brows and eyes. I swear I've forgotten how to do that routine on myself. Like, I've forgotten how to do my brows first before skin. Like, anytime I do that, I take forever with my brows. Like, I'm not even kidding. I take forever.
With my beauty blender, this is the step where I kind of go in and pick up wherever the foundation brush left off, because the FAD is so dense. I really don't even have to do that. Like, I just go straight into the concealer and contour, and I don't need to like fix other areas as much as I usually do with other foundation brushes. Okay, now I'm gonna set.
Alright, so I don't blend in.
Okay, now I'm gonna set this off with my Laura Mercier powder.
Okay, I don't have the Laura Mercier powder, but I'm gonna use this powder from Beauty by AD. Beige.
Lately, I'll put a nice amount under eye to catch any fallout. Actually, we're gonna be using glitter and pigment. Let me put a little bit extra.
Alright.
Pencil from Benefit. And
oh, she already did her brows.
And I also used Granite from Anastasia just to kind of like define them first.
She already did her brows. Okay, now I have to go off camera. Now I have to go off camera and do my own brows, and I'm going to use this brow pomade from Blot and the Black Opal concealer in Hazelnut to highlight. If you follow my channel, you already know this is what I use. Alright, so I'm back and I'm done with my brows. Let's continue.
Diffused crease E38. I'm gonna take my pastel dot. I don't know what, like, I've just been like reaching.
I don't have that. And I wasn't about to go out. I wasn't about to go out and get that. So for this shade she's using right now.
Looks. This is kind of a banger though. Like, I'm not mad at it. So I'm gonna take this bright yellow.
Okay, for the yellow shade, I'm using this yellow from the Huda Beauty Obsession palette.
First,
so I'm going to take that yellow shade. Hold on. Wait for me.
Now, because these colors are so matte, I'm probably going to have to build. I've never worked with this yellow before. I've only used like purple and other colors in this palette. It looks so good. You guys tell me you want me to switch it up more, use more bright colors. I hear you. I'm with it. shaped eyes. It's not too fluffy and it's not too
Sorry, Jackie, I don't have that brush. I don't have that brush set. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna take Jackpot pigment from Makeup.
I don't have that either. Hold on. Oh Lord, this thing is stressing me out. Like, it's just reminding me of my 10 minutes makeup challenge I did with Benny. If you haven't seen that video, you should totally see. Like, you're going to laugh. Like, oh my God, the way I was so anxious and oh God, I was so restless in that video trying to meet up the whole 10 minutes makeup challenge, and I sucked. Guys, beware that this look that I chose from Jackie is me going outside of my comfort zone. Like, I went through almost all her videos trying to figure out which one I should recreate, and I was like, Sandra, you need to not pick one that's similar to what you do on a normal day. Pick something that is outside the box. Like, so that's what I did with this look, and I hope I don't look like a crazy clown when I'm done.
Just a white yellow.
Okay, I don't have that like I said, but what I do have
Yellow glitter from
is this.
Bakery.
Hold on. What I do have is this classic yellow pigment. I remember when I started watching YouTube makeup tutorials, I used to feel like I wouldn't be able to recreate that look if I didn't have the exact same products that they had. I used to buy a whole lot of makeup products then because I was trying to recreate Auntie Jackie, Auntie Jenny Jenkins. You guys finished my money when I was just starting out the whole makeup thing. Oh my God, I bought a lot of products then because I felt I had to have those products to be able to achieve the looks they created.
There's sprinkles glitter.
Okay.
In color gold. I'm also gonna use
I don't have that. I'm gonna use the.
There's a lot happening with this eye look, but I'm not bad at it also.
For this glitter, I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics glitter,
Application. You can even use the brand.
and this is the shade Gold. It's not that bad. It's actually not that bad. What do you guys think? Am I looking like a clown yet?
To go, and I really didn't look, but the name's not on the box.
I'm sorry, I don't have that. I don't have those pair of lashes.
Did a comparison.
The one I'm going to be using is this one.
My tip is if you buy flutter lashes, don't throw away the sleeve because they put the name of the lash on the sleeve. Flutter lashes, I'm gonna need y'all to
In the style.
always throw away the sleeve. Okay, thank you. Now I have to
Cherish.
Work, like, extra hard. Now I have to work like extra hard to get these lashes like black to get all of the yellow glitter off of them. And the Colossal Big Shot mascara is just doing it for me right now. Well, I've got
I have that one.
go in with my Use Freeze brush.
Hold on. Oh my God. Powder time. I actually have that one. The only product that I actually have. Iman. Since Jackie is using a puff, we're gonna use a puff. Okay, no. It's not like that. No, wait now. Oh my God. I was just getting into applying mine the way she's applying hers. So she held her puff like this. So I'm gonna hold my puff like that too.
Brush the Bobbi Brown bronzer.
Okay, I'm going to use the Maybelline cacao powder for that. I'm using this regular brush, no name brand. I don't have that shade, so I'm going to be using this highlighter from Younger Beauty in the shade Buckish. This is the first time I'm trying out this highlighter, and the shade names are quite funny. Oh my God, this is actually beautiful.
It's the color Midnight Truffle.
Of course I don't have that shade. I'm sorry, I've never in my life worn black lippy, so I'm not really sure yet what I'm going to do. Well, I think I'm going to start by applying this shade from Tara called Chalet. is the finished look. How did I do? Did I do all right? Oh my god, I had so much fun filming this look. Anyways, yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. If you like to see more videos from me, please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. Just click the subscribe button down below and the bell like button beside it. It gets you notified whenever I upload new videos. You get notification. Please subscribe. I love you guys. Please like this video. I want to feel like you guys are actually enjoying the content that I'm putting out, because it takes a whole lot of work, trust me. So please support your girl by subscribing, liking, dropping a comment, you know. And also follow me on my Instagram, my Snapchat. They're all like Fab Beauty, but I'm going to leave it on the screen here or here. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.